Now, what did you want most about their performance? Yeng.
Naku, ang hirap. English. I will try my best, but I guess my best will be not good enough. So I will speak in Tagalog. Pareho kayo talagang merong distinct na magandang boses. May manipis, may makapal. At parehong kailangan sa boy band yan. Pareho din kayong pogi. Di ba? Pero pakiramdam ko, may isa sa inyo na pwedeng potensyal na maging frontman as vocalist ng boy band na binubuo namin. At malalaman natin yan.
At ngayon, we need your decision. Sino ang sure na may chance makasama sa Superstar Boy Band? Sino naman ang kailangan pang galingan sa kanyang survival song? Will it be James? O si Russell? Yeng?
Sobrang nahirapan ako. Nakikita na kita sa binubuo naming Superstar Boy Band. Congratulations! Ikaw ang ating second grand finalist. Nasa kamay ko talaga to, no? Russell!
Congratulations, Russell! You are the second grand finalist. Good job, man. You may sit down and relax there with Joao. Now, James, it's been rough, it's been tough. I'm sorry, man. Kaya ngayon, magpahinga ka muna sa likod, okay? And we'll see each other later. Thanks, James.